Introducing the Typhur Sous Vide Station, a revolutionary immersion circulator that promises precision, convenience, and exceptional culinary outcomes for home chefs. This cutting-edge device features a sleek and compact design, seamlessly integrating into any kitchen setup with its robust build quality and durable materials. The intuitive display panel ensures easy navigation through various settings, offering a user-friendly experience. At the core of the Typhur Sous Vide Station lies a powerful heating element and reliable circulation system, swiftly reaching and maintaining the desired temperature with impressive accuracy. The wide temperature range accommodates diverse culinary applications, from delicate fish fillets to hearty cuts of meat. Setting time and temperature is effortless thanks to the user-friendly control panel, and the device also comes with a handy mobile app for remote monitoring and control. Beyond sous vide cooking, the Typhur Sous Vide Station proves versatile, excelling in slow cooking, poaching, and pasteurization. Its remarkably quiet operation creates a peaceful cooking environment, appealing to those who value a serene kitchen. Maintenance is a breeze with dishwasher-safe, detachable components and a sleek design that minimizes the risk of food particle accumulation. Whether you're a novice or experienced chef, the Typhur Sous Vide Station stands out as an excellent choice, offering precise performance, a user-friendly interface, and versatile capabilities. Elevate your home cooking to professional levels with this reliable and feature-rich immersion circulator. The Typhur Sous Vide Station is your key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities.